ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिविश्रीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Now, let's do the last Anuvaka and 11th and then the Shanti part, right? Okay, last Anuvaka, as you said, have some numbers, right? It has odd and even numbers up to 48. You all know Sanskrit numbers, right? If you don't know, it's better. Now it's a good time to learn. You can learn from. But not all numbers are covered. Okay. 1 to 33 odd is covered. 1 to 33 means 1 eka chame, then tisras chame, pancha chame, sapta chame, nava chame, eka dasha chame, 1, 3, 5, 7, like that, up to 33. So how many? 17 numbers are there covered. Then from there, 4 to 48. 4, the even numbers, right? From 4 to 48. Chatuschatvarimshat, ashtachatvarimshat, ashtachatvarimshat. That is even numbers from, so from 18 to 30 are 4 to 48. From 1 to 17 or 1 to 33 are covered. So even though 4 to 48 are covered, oh, you must be wondering why 4 to 48, why not 2, 4, 6? What will happen to that? Right? Those are not missing, right? Even is 1, 3, 5, they covered fine. Instead of starting from 2, they start from 4. Oh, what will happen to 2, 6, 8? It only says 4. 8 is there, sorry. 4, 8, 12, 16, like that it goes. Even they are also covered. You see, if you see this 4 to 48, if you divide by 2, 4 divided by 2, what will be that? 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 12 divided by 2, 6. 16 divided by 2, 8. 20 divided by 2, 10. So those are anyway there in that. You got it? What I'm saying? Right? So everything is there, all numbers. So you know Sanskritam, right? Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shat. Of course, up to 1 to 4, we have linga beda. From 4, 5 onwards, no linga beda, right? You know that, right? Linga beda means, I mean, of course, from 1 to 4, there will be beda between, which is the Strilingam, Punlingam, Napunsakalingam. That beda is there. So Napunsakalingam is ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shat, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha, like that goes on. Ekadasha, dvadasha, right? But up to 4, the what is it called? Punlingam would be ekaha. Strilingam would be eka. Napunsakalam ekam. We say ekam pustakam. We say, we don't say eka pustakam, right? Because pustakam is napunsakam, right? Eka nadi, say eka seat, right? That eka. So let's say dvau, dve, dve. Then trayaha, tisraha, trini. Chatvarah, chatasrah, chatvari. Then pancha, shat goes up. So here eka, tisra, and then says pancha. Like that it goes. Okay. So there is a lot of research done on these numbers. Some say it is the DNA molecules which covers all which are required for sustenance of our universe. Some are saying mathematical models are somehow attributed to this. Very nice, deep, if you can read that. But we'll see the meaning a little bit. Okay, so we're asking for everything, even and odd. That everything is covered in that. Nothing is missing. Okay. Everything from gods to from 1 to 33 are God related to godly, heavenly world. The remaining are Manusha world. Let's say there's some say like that. We'll see a little bit.
But Chandraji, you said even number goes like 4 to 48, like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, something like that. And odd number goes at 1 to 33. How that goes? 1 after 1, what number will come?
3. 1, 3, 5, 7.
Oh, okay.
9, 11, like that.
Okay.
You can learn numbers here now today. numbers. Okay. Maybe all will not do maybe today then. Others can practice. Because let's today, Sunita do it. Eka chame tisrascha me.
Eka cha me, tisracha me.
Tisrascha me, tisrascha me.
Tisracha me, tisracha me.
No. Tisracha na? Tisrascha. Tisrascha.
Tisrascha me.
No.
Tisrascha me. Eka cha me, tisrascha me.
Eka cha me, tisrascha me, pancha cha me.
Eka cha me, tisracha me, pancha cha me.
Sorry, you are still saying tisracha. No. Tisrascha me, tisrascha me.
Tisrascha me, tisrascha me. So srascha me.
Yeah, it is only cha there in your books, sir.
No, Chandraji. Tisrascha me.
Yeah, if you split it, it will be ti, sra, sha, cha, but that cha and cha we are combining cha, right?
Okay. Tisrashcha me.
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पंच च मे सप्त च मे
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पंच च मे सप्त च मे एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पंच च मे सप्त च मे
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पंच च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पंच च मे सप्त च मे नव च मे नव च म एकादश च मे एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पंच च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे
नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे
नव च म एकादश च मे
त्रयोदश च मे
Trayo has anudatta for me.
No, yo is Svarita. त्रयोदश च मे
त्रयोदश च मे त्रयोदश च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे
नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पंचदश च मे
नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पंचदश च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पंचदश च मे
त्रयोदश च मे पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे
त्रयोदश च मे पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे
पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म
पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नव च म
नवदश च म
नवदश च म पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नव च म
No, नवदश च म
Yes,
नवदश
sorry.
19 दश नव 19
Yeah. नवदश च म पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म
सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे एकविंशतिश्च मे
एकविंशतिश्च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे
एकविंशतिश्च मे
एकविंशतिश्च मे एकविंशतिश्च मे
पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे
पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे पंचदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे
एकविंशतिश्च मे 21 एकविंशति विंशति मीन्स विंशतिः 20 विंशति विंशति एकविंशतिः 21 like that.
I have a notation different. Ka has Swarita. Is that correct?
नवदश च
sorry,
मयेकविंशतिश्च
eka is
मे.
ka is Swarita, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Ka is okay.
I think I'm doing gu Swarita. Gum. Yeah. नवदश च मयेकविंशतिश्च मे.
Yeah. एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे
त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे
त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे
त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे
त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे
पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म
पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म
नवविंशतिश्च means what is the number?
29.
Yes, navavimshatihi. 29 can be said ekonatrimshat. Ekona means 1 less than 30 also we say, but it is navavimshatischa ma ekatrigumshatcha me.
नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे
Ekatrigumshatcha me.
एकत्रिंशच्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे
Ekatrigumshatcha me trayas. एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे
एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे
एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मे
एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रच्च मे एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रच्च मे
again same चतस्रश्च मे चतस्रश्च
त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मे
त्रयस्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मेष्ठौ च मे
चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे त्रयस्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे
चतस्रश्च मेष्ठौ च मे
चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे
चतस्रश्च मेष्ठौ च मे द्वादश च मे
चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे
Now starting from 4, the even numbers have started, right? Chatasraha, Ashtau cha me, Dwadasha cha me. 4, 8, 12, like that. 16, they have started. Trayastrigum shachame, Trayastrigum means 33. They have ended the odd numbers have ended there. Now start even. Chatasrascha me, Chatasrascha me, Shtau cha me, Dwadasha cha me, Shodasha cha me.
चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे
द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विगुंशतिश्च मे
द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विगुंशतिश्च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विगुंशतिश्च मे
विगुंशतिश्च मे विगुंशतिश्च मे
विगुंशतिश्च मे विगुंशतिश्च मे
विगुंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मे
विगुंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मे विगुंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मे
चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मे अष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे
चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे
चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे
चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे
द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे
द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे
चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मे अष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे
चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चतुर्विगुंशतिश्च मेष्टाविगुंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे
षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
One more time, Chandraji.
षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे षट्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे अष्टाचत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मेष्टाचत्वारिगुंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मेष्टाचत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मे अष्टाचत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मेष्टाचत्वारिगुंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिगुंशच्च मेष्टाचत्वारिगुंशच्च मे
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च वैष्ण्यश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च
प्रसवश्चापिजश्च
प्रसवश्च पिजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च क्रतुश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च क्रतुश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्च पिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च
क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च
क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च
क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च वैष्ण्यश्चान्त्यायनश्च Okay, I'll split this. व्यष्णीयश्चान्त्याय
व्यष्णीयश्चान्त्याय व्यष्णीयश्चान्त्याय
व्यष्णीयश्चान्त्याय
व्यष्णीयश्चान्त्याय व्यष्णीयश्चान्त्याय
व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च
व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च
व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च
व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च
भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
Good. Ashish, do it.
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च मे एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च मे एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे
Okay, continue. Continue from saptadasha cha me.
सप्तदश च मे नवदश च मे एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च मे एकत्रिंशच्च मे
एकत्रिंशच्च मे एकत्रिंशच्च मे
एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मे अष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विंशतिश्च मे अष्टाविंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिंशच्च मे षट्त्रिंशच्च मे
चत्वारिंशच्च मे
चत्वारिंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिंशच्च मे अष्टाचत्वारिंशच्च मे वाजश्च प्रसवश्च
वाजश्च
वाजश्च
प्रसवश्चापिजश्च
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च
क्रतुश्च क्रतुश्च
क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनाश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च.
You do the last one, Vajascha again.
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च.
Krishnan, do it.
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतुस्रश्च मे
चतस्रश्च मे
चतस्रश्च मे ष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विंशतिश्च मे ष्टाविंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिंशच्च मे षट्त्रिंशच्च मे चत्वारिंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिंशच्च मे ष्टाचत्वारिंशच्च मे वाजश्च मे
No. Vajascha prasavaschapijascha
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च.
Do from Vajascha again.
वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च.
11:21. Okay, we have one more. We want to finish it, complete it today. So let's see. 20 minutes we have, right? 25 minutes. Okay. Okay, Pravina, you do it once. Let's see.
एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे
त्रयस्त्रिगुंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मे
त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मेष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विंशतिश्च चतुर्विंशतिश्च मेष्टाविंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिंशच्च मे षट्त्रिंशच्च मे चत्वारिंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिंशच्च मेष्टाचत्वारिंशच्च मे वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च वाजश्च प्रसवश्चापिजश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धा च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च
भौवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च Continue. Ida devahurmanuryagnani. Continue.
On Ida Dev.
Okay. Om is fine. Anyway, you have started with Om. That people, you can skip that. Ida devahurmanuryagnani.
Ida devahurmanuryagnani. Ida devahurmanuryagnani. Okay. Ida devamur.
Ida devahur.
Okay. Ida devahurmanuryagnani.
And you are saying on because that on will come because there is a Namah Shivaya because it is E is there. That also you don't have to do. Anyway, you don't have to do Om.
Okay.
Here Om only you have to say. If at all you say that. Okay.
Okay.
Ida devahur manuryagnanir bruhaspati.
Ida devahur manuryagnanir bruhaspati. Ida
Manuryagnanir bruhaspati.
Manuryagnanir bruhaspati. Manuryagnanir bruhaspati.
Yagnanir bruhaspati. Because there's a repa there on. Right?
Okay. Yes.
Isn't it correct?
Yes. Yes, there is repa.
Ida devahur manuryagnanir bruhaspati rukta madani.
Ida devahur manuryagnanir bruhaspati rukta madani. Ida devahur manuryagnanir bruhaspati rukta madani.
Bruhaspati rukta madani.
बृहस्पतिरुक्ता मदानि बृहस्पतिरुक्ता मदानि
Yagamsi shadvishve.
शगुंसि षद्विश्वे शगुंसि षद्विश्वे
Shagamsi shadvishve deva.
शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवा शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवा
Shagamsi shadvishve devasuktavacha.
शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवासु उक्तवाच शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवासु उक्तवाच
Shagamsi shadvishve devasuktavacha. Prithvimatarmama. Sorry. Prithvimatarma. There you end there.
Okay. शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवासु उक्तवाचः पृथिवीमातर्मा
Prithvimatarma.
पृथिवीमातर्मा शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवा शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवासु उक्तवाचः पृथिवीमातर्मा
Prithvimatarma mahigamsi.
पृथिवीमातर्मा माहिगुंसि पृथिवीमातर्मा माहिगुंसि
It is not Prithvi. It is Prithvi, right? It is Ikara is short, right? Isn't it short?
पृथिवी
Yeah. How you are saying? Prithvi, you are saying, or Prithvi? Prithvi.
so short only, Shandaji. By mistake, I said long, I think.
Prithvi.
Prithvi.
Prithvi. Because Prithvi is Ikaranta only, right? Prithvi is Ikaranta Shabda, long only. But when you're doing Sambodhana, you say short, Prithvi.
Short.
That's why, I don't know if you are there, I keep saying, right? When you say chant Saraswati Namastubhyam, many people say Saraswati Namastubhyam. That is wrong. I think the other day I was watching your daughter. What's your daughter's name? Many people do that, right? She was doing the Sadhvi. She was doing in assembly, she was doing, I think. Many people do it.
So it's
Saraswati Namastubhyam, they say. It is Saraswati Namastubhyam. Because Saraswati means, oh Mother Saraswati. We are saying Sambodhana, we are saying. Here also, Prithvi.
Okay. So short Saraswati, short E.
Short E.
Okay.
Many people, I think when you are doing that, you should correct them. Everybody in assembly, they do. It is Saraswati Namastu. If it says Saraswati,
yeah, assembly, that's how we learned.
Yeah.
Okay.
So any long vowel in name, Sambodhana will be short?
Yes. Not any. For Ikaranta.
Only Ikara. Okay.
Like Saraswati, Prithvi.
Sorry.
Nadi. Sambodhana. So Prathama Vibhakti will be Saraswati. So if you say Saraswati, that is Prathama. Prathama means Karta. She is doing something. So meaning will change. So we are asking her, in fact, right? Oh Saraswati, we are asking.
The Prathama will be long, right?
Prathama is long. It is Karta. Prathama is Karta, right? Dvitiya is Karma. So, oh Mother, Mama Higamsi, don't hurt us. Let there be, do not. Something like that. Mother Earth we are talking about here. Oh Mother Earth. इडा देवहूर्मनुर्यज्ञनीर्बृहस्पतिरुक्ता मदानि शगंसि षद्विश्वे देवासूक्तवाचः पृथिवीमातर्मामाहिगंसि
इडा
इडा देवहूर्मनुर्यज्ञनीर्बृहस्पतिरुक्ता मदानि, like that.
इडा देवहूर्मनुर्यज्ञनीर्बृहस्पतिरुक्ता मदानि शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवासु उक्तवाचः पृथिवी मातर्मामाहिगुंसीर्म इडा देवहूर्मनुर्यज्ञनीर्बृहस्पतिरुक्ता मदानि शगुंसि षद्विश्वे देवासु उक्तवाचः पृथिवी मातर्मामाहिगुंसि
शगंसि षद्विश्वे देवासूक्तवाचः पृथिवीमातर्मामाहिगंसीर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये
देवासु उक्तवाचः पृथिवी मातर्मामाहिगुंसीर्मधु मनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधु देवासु
okay. हिगंसीर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये
हिगुंसीर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये
हिगंसीर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये
हिगुंसीर्मधुजनिष्ये
मनिष्ये first मनिष्ये
हिगुंसीर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये हिगुंसीर्मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये
मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधुवक्ष्यामि
मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधुवक्ष्यामि
मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुवदिष्यामि
मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुवदिष्यामि मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुवदिष्यामि
Madhu means, right, sweet. So I offer sweet hymns, sweet words to others, to devatas. I make sweet hymns, sweet oblations, sweet words to others, not hurting words. So everything we are asked. Madhu, we are saying. So Shanti Patam, right? Madhu Vakshami, Madhu Vadishyami, Madhumatin Devebhyo.
मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुवदिष्यामि मधुमतीं देवेभ्यो
Madhumatin Devebhyo. Na should come there. Better if it na comes after Anuswara. Madhumatin Devebhyo.
मधुमतीं देवेभ्यो मधुमतीं देवेभ्यो
वाचमुध्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्याम् वाचमुध्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्याम्
वाचमुद्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्याम् वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्याम्
वाचमुद्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तम्
वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्याम् मनुष्येभ्यस्तम् वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्याम् मनुष्येभ्यस्तम्
I offer sweet words that are not hurting. Vacham udhyasagam, speech that is not hurting anyone. Manushyebhya, to all the other manushas. Right? And I offer pleasant truths. Vachamudhyasagam shushrushenya manushyeebhyastam ma deva.
वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्याम् मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्याम् मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा
वाचमुध्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु. Do the last one. अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु.
अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु
वाचमुध्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु.
वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु
And then वाचमुध्यासगं वाचमुध्यासगं, something, some swara you're keeping there. Okay, no swara. वाचमुद्यासगं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा. Pause little bit. देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु.
वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु.
Avantu means protect. May the Lord Devas protect us. Shobhayai, and maybe may shine with fame. Shobhayai. Pitaro anumadantu. May our Pitrus, our ancestors, anumadantu. May they agree with it. Anumadantu. Anumadantu. Okay. Or may it be granted with praise. You can say anumadantu. Or may they agree to this. May they. Okay. Ida devahurmanuryagnanir bruhaspati-rukta madani-shagam sishad-vishve devasukta-vacha prithivima-tarma-mahigam sir-madhumanishye madhujanishye madhuvakshami madhuvadichyami madhumadin devebhyo vachamudyasagam शुश्रूषेण्या मनुष्येभ्यस्तम्मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Indiva, do the last one.
Ida from Ida, right? Ida devahurmanuryegnanirbrahspatiruttha matani sagam sishadvishve deva suktavacha पृथिवीमातर्मामाहिगुं सीर् मधुमनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुवदिष्यामि मधुमतीं देवेभ्यो वाचमुद्यासगुं शुश्रूषेण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देवा अवन्तु शोभायै पितरोऽनुमदन्तु। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Others who didn't do will practice. Will the first one to do next class. Okay. Hari Om Shruti. It's been a while since we had a Gita class.
Hari Om.
So this is the end of Shanti Pata. Okay. Ida Devahur. Ida means cow. Brahma Vidya in the form of the cow. They say. Another meaning they give. Ida Devahur. Devahuti. Invocation for the Devas. Let the Brahma Vidya in the form of the cow be the invocation for the Devas. They are called Devahuti. It is used to invite the Devas. And is therefore called Devahuti. Manuhu is the god of speech. Yagnani, may he lead us, Yagnani, to the Yajna, who leads us towards the Yajna. Manur Yagnani Bruhaspati, who is the witness of all our karmas, the Karmaphala Dhatha. Ta Madani Shagam Sishad Vishve Devasu Uktavacha Prithvi Matarmano. Okay, you'll see the meaning a little bit more. Madhumanishe, Madhumanishe. Let me offer sweet oblations, sweet hymns. Let me compose sweet hymns to the Devas and towards other people who are willing to hear. Shushrooshenya, who are willingly hearing us or to attending us. Maybe offer sweet words to them. Madhuvakshami, Madhuvadishami, Madhumateen Devebhyo Vachamutyasa. Okay. That is a last Shanti Mantra. Shanti. And Vajascha Prasava, same thing as the first one, the food, Vajaha, food. Earlier one, the 11th one. In the first Anvaka also it came, right? The food, Prasava, production of the food. Apijaha, continue, repeating production. Kratu, pleasures. Or the Yajna we can say. Suvascha Hari Om. Tat Sat. Maybe I will let you know. This Thursday also I might be busy. I will let you know during the week. If I'm busy, we'll have it next Saturday. I'll let you know anyway. Okay?
All right, thank you.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Shruti ji, how are you? Okay. Who wants to do it? Shanti ji, do the Shanti. Not Shanti part. The Dhyana Shloka.
Om
पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्.
Yeah. And I also noticed, forgot, Sadhvi was saying, just correct her. This Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavahi, Tejasvina Ma with something. Sahaviryam Karavavyahai, she was saying. So correct that. Okay.
I didn't get Chandraji. Can you repeat it?
Karavavyahai, I think she was saying.
Okay. Karavavahai.
Mm.
Okay.
I think that was by mistake. It just flew. I think she. I also noticed that, but that was by mistake she did.
And then the
Thank you,
Saraswati.
Chandra. And Saraswati, I'll mention it, Chandra. Karavavahai.
Okay, which one?
Any other corrections, Chandraji?
That's it. That's it. It's, because if you don't correct it, it will continue for the next generation.
No, I appreciate it, Chandraji. Please do correct it.
Others keep on doing the same thing. Yeah?
Yes. For years, we'll repeat the same thing. Thank you, Chandraji.
We finished 45 or no?
We did till 46.
We have done up to 44.
44, yeah.
Yeah.
44. Okay, let's do.
I marked 46 also. I think we did, but 45, 46.
Oh, we did?
Okay,
Let's do.
I marked up to 44.
Let's do 44 once and then do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Who wants? Sunita ji, do 44.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Dvitiyodhyayaha Sankhya Yogaha Bhogaishvarya Gatim Prati.
Hold on. 44, right?
Yeah. Both are.
Which one are you chanting?
No, for 44, but 43, 44 both are together. So I read.
Oh, God, the last line. Okay.
Sorry.
No.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Dvitiyodhyayaha Sankhya Yogaha Bhogaishvarya Prasaktanam Tayapahruta Chetasam Vyavasayatmika Buddhihi Samadhau na Vidhiyate.
Shruti ji, use it. 44.
भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां तयापहृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते.
45. You're saying we didn't do. Let's see 45. Shruti ji, chant.
त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
So this 40 to 47 is preparatory knowledge for Karma Yoga is coming. He is preparing for Karma Yoga. Traigunya Vishaya Veda. Let's see. Shanti ji.
45.
45.
त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः
नित्यसत्त्वस्थः.
निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
Ashish,
Can Chandraji, I missed that 41. Can you tell one more time? Something different.
Traigunya Vishaya Vedaha. Repeat.
Straigunya Vishaya Vedaha. Straigunya Vishaya Vedaha.
Nistraigуньयो Bhavarjuna.
Nistrairgunyo Bhavarjuna.
There is no Nistrair. Nistraigуньयो.
Nistraigунyo Bhavarjuna. Nistraigунyo Bhavarjuna.
Nirdvandho Nityasattvastah.
Nirdvandvo Nityasattvastah. Nirdvandvo Nityasattvastah.
Niryogakshema Atmavan.
Niryogakshema Atmavan. Niryogakshema Atmavan. Sattvastaha or what is that? Sattvasto.
Sattvasto, when you're splitting it at the it becomes the Sattvastaha.
Oh, okay.
Same. Sattvasto, when you're one line, if you're doing.
Oh, okay.
When you split it there, you add the Visarga.
Oh.
Ashish, do it.
त्रैगुण्य विषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
Pravinaji.
त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Sunitaji, did you say Traigunya or Straigunya?
Now I'm correcting Chandraji. Traigunya. I don't know what I told.
What did she tell? In the
I think she did Traigunya. Yeah.
Traigunya.
No, she would sa. Okay.
She added sa also there.
Oh. Traigunya. Second line also Nistrai.
Yeah, that is Nistraigunya. First one is Traigunya.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Indivaji.
Yeah, Traigunyam means even though it says Trigunas, but here in this context we can take as the material accomplishments or the Ardhakama basically. Even though it says Trigunatmika, but here the context can be taken as Ardhakama because
we usually have good pronunciation from Sunitaji. I was about to correct Bhagavad Gita because of her pronunciation. But I thought that I would just confirm once.
You want to? Okay. Do it. Indiva, do it.
त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
All of us did that. Okay, Traigunya. So the Vedas deal with the Traigunya Vishaya, 3 attributes. Traiguna, here material accomplishments. Mostly the Vedas means the which part? The Karma Kanda, not the Vedanta, right? The Karma Kanda part is being criticized a bit. So Vedas deal with these 3 attributes, Traigunya Vishaya Veda. But you should be above these 3. O Arjuna, Nistraigunyo Bhava Arjuna, and Nirdvandvaha, be free from the dvandvas, pairs of opposites, Sukha, Dukkha, we have seen. Sukha, Dukkha, Labha, Alabha, Jaya, Apajaya, be free from these pairs, and Nitya Sattvastaha, be in the Sattva Guna. That's why Nitya Sattvastaha, established in the Sattva attitude, ever remain in Sattva, goodness. Niryoga Kshemaha, free from all thoughts of yoga and Kshema. What? How can we do that? Niryoga Kshema, free from yoga and Kshema. And Atmavan, be established in the higher, Atmavan, in the self. Yoga Kshema, you know, right? What is Yoga Kshema? That in 9th chapter, Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. We chant, right? 9th chapter is LIC motto is also that Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. So he's saying you should be free, ever free from all thoughts of acquisition and preservation. Apraptasya praptihi is yoga. Apraptasya praptihi, that which you do not have, getting it. Praptasya rakshanam is kshema. So most of our energies go in this, right? Our energies acquiring what we do not have now, and then preserving or protecting what we already have. Most of it. So if you are a little bit free from this, you can devote a bit for the Gita and Upanishads. That's what he's saying. Don't, he's saying, not asking us totally give it away. Okay. Free from thoughts of acquisition and preservation means in that sense. Atmavan. Okay. Yavanartha udapane. Shruti.
Yavanartha udapane
Sarvata samplutodake.
Sarvatah sampluto.
No, don't pronounce the visarga. Sarvata samplutodake.
Sarvatah samplutodake. Sarvatah samplutodake.
Not da.
Sarvatah samplutodake.
Udakam means water, right? Udakam. Udakam in Telugu also is udakam. So, samplutodake. Tavan sarveshu vedeshu.
Tavan sarveshu vedeshu. Tavan sarveshu vedeshu.
Brahmanasya vijanatah.
Brahmanasya vijanatah. Brahmanasya vijatnatah.
Yavanartha उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः।
यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः।
So to this the wise person, to this brahmana means the wise person, okay? Not a jati brahmana or something. It is a guna brahmana. Guna by guna by is guna. To this person, a small samplutodakam yavanartha udapani sarvatas samplutodake tavan sarveshu. He is comparing this Veda Purva Bhaga and all this that was Traigunya Vishaya Veda I said right earlier. He is comparing that is a small pond, a small well or pond of water, when there is a huge lake of sweet, like Lake Michigan is there, huge lake. Beside Lake Michigan, you put a small pond of water. What is that small pond of water? Is what? Is a part of that huge lake only. So he's comparing to this Veda Purva Bhaga in that way. So it says, to the Brahmana who has known the self, all the Vedas are of so much use as a reservoir of water in a place where there is a flood everywhere. What is the use of the small? Because in moksha, you have dharma, artha, kama also included. So if you are going for the highest, all the three are included in that. Don't think other three are not. In a way, they are included. It is Veda Purva is of not much use to this wise person, he's saying. Because he has got the highest. Other three, dharma, the artha, kama are there in that. Just like that in the small pond. What is the use of a small pond when there is a fresh water everywhere in a huge reservoir? A lake is there. He's comparing that way. Okay. Ashish, do it.
यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः।
Sunita. Hari Om. Can you hear me? Hari Om. Sunita ji, do it.
यावानर्थवुदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः।
In the word.
यावानर्ध उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः।
Is Yavanartha. Nartha. Instead of the tha should come nicely. Shanti. Pravina ji, do it.
यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः।
Shanti ji.
यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु Eshu Brahmanasya Vijanataha.
Samplutodake.
Samplutodake.
Samplutodake. Yeah. And if anybody wants that Gita hard copy, we can get it free from, of course, you have to pay the postage. Let everybody know. Of course, the download, we can always download free online versions. You know that, right? From Apple and Google Books. Gurudev's Gita commentary. And for the Gita, I don't know if Vidyaji told you, or Shrutiji. So it's already, we decided we'll give that books as prizes.
Yeah, I have updated the website,
You did?
but we did not mention that we are giving books. We just mentioned the category as gold, bronze, and silver, and participant certificate.
Yeah, but so you have added the address, right? I think you have added that, so that we can send
In the
them
form, Rajesh has included the address so that we can get the addresses and we can mail them.
So today when we are teaching, so you can tell them they can input their addresses when they are registering, so that prizes can be sent to their home address.
Yeah.
So Chandraji, these books are giving from Chinmay Mission, or you are sponsoring?
Yeah, I will sponsor.
So I too want to join in that sponsorship.
Okay, good.
Just I want to let you know.
Okay. Yeah, we can split it. Okay. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet, Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Tat Sat. See you in the evening.
Thank you, Chandra.